はい、皆さんおはようございます。
おはようございます、先生。
はい、久しぶりです。はい。書籍を取ります。いいですか、先生。はい。フェビさん、いますか？
はい、います、先生。
グライさん、いますか？
はい、います、先生。
カムシさん、いますか？
はい、います、先生。
ミチさん、いますか？
はい。
ミチさん。はい。ジョアナさん。
はい、います、先生。
はい。ジェイソさん、いますか？
はい、います、先生。
アイビーさん。
はい、います、先生。
ジェイサさん。
はい、います、先生。
はい。ジェロームさん、いますか？
はい、います、先生。
はい。全員呼びましたか？ Did I call everyone? Everybody?
はい。今日はレジ先生いません。
はい。ありがとうございます、先生。
はい。
はい。今日は新しいセッションです。はい。今日のトピックはトピック17です。はい。まず、はい。単語を復習しましょう。Let's review some of the vocabulary. Did you study your vocabulary for topic 17? Did you? Have you studied? Okay, let's check. I'll be showing you some pictures and then please identify the tango or vocabulary for these pictures. はい、これ
勉強する。
It's not in the vocabulary. Yeah, they are studying, but where do you think are they? Hi,
juko
hi, Juko des or from
from
school.
school.
はい、これは
Bomo. Game.
ん
Bemo.
ゲーム。
はい、ゲーム。
Gemo.
ゲーム。はい、everybody ゲーム。
Gemo.
はい、これ
Internet. Internet.
Internet.
How do you Japanize internet?
Internet.
Internet.
はい、インターネット。インターネット。はい、次。
Manga. Ponga.
はい、マンガです。はい、マンガです。これ
Umi.
はい、海です。海は sea or ocean です。はい。これ What do you think are they doing?
Playing.
はい、playing は日本語で。
あ、そう。
Turong.
はい、遊ぶ。遊ぶ。はい、これSo what expression did we use? There are two words or two ideas. First one is shokujishimasu. Shokujishimasu. And then samposhimasu. So to combine these two activities, we use the expression
Sorekara.
sorekara, which means
And
and
then.
then. So can you combine these two activities?
Shokujishimasu.
Shokujishimasu. Sorekara. Samposhimasu. Hi. So let's focus on this expression. Okay. So Robato-san wa Raigetsu Nihon ni ikimasu. Robato-san wa Raigetsu Nihon ni ikimasu. Nihon de nani o shimasu ka? Nihon de nani o shimasu ka? So next month, Roberto-san will be going to Japan. So in Japan, what will he be doing? So for example, 8月1日、ホテルに行きます。 tomodachi ni aimasu. So can we use the sorekara to combine these activities? Minasang?
Hi, Sensei.
Hi.
Hi, let's combine.
Hotero ni ikimasu.
Hotero ni
Sore kara
ikimasu. Sore kara tomodachi ni aimasu.
Hi, very good. Hotero ni ikimasu. Sore kara tomodachi ni aimasu. Let's have number 2. Glai-san.
8月
8月
2日、
2日。
大阪に行きます。それから友達と食事をします。
はい、very good. 大阪に行きます。それから友達と食事します。食事をします。はい。8月3日。アイビーさん。
はい、先生。8月3日、大阪に行きます。それから友達と食事をします。
Okay, so same lang, no? What about 8月5日 8月5日。ジョアンさん。
Kabuki wo mimasu. それからカラオケコンサートに行きます。
はい、kabukiを見ます。それからカラオケコンサートに行きます。はい。So, before we start the language session, I'd like you to focus on the kaiwa or the dialogue. So, who are talking?
はいか。それ
誰が話してますか？アイカさんと
and フレド
フ
君。
ラド君、
フレド君。はい、アイカさんとフレド君を話してます。何を話してますか？ What are they talking? So let's have Joanna-san, Ivy-san, and Jessa-san to be Aika-san. And then the rest will be Fredo-kun. I desu ka?
はい。
はい、じゃあ、let's go. 3、2、1、せーの。
フレド君。ショム。いつも何をする？
スポーツをする。
スポーツをする。
アイカさんは
私はモールに行く。それから音楽を行く。
同じ音楽
音
を
を聞く。それから友達と遊ぶ。
Okay, this time we'll switch roles. Let's switch roles. はい、3、2、1、せーの。
フレド君、
フレド君、週
末いつも何をする？
スポーツをする。アイカさんは
私はモールに行く。それから音楽を聴く。
同じ音楽を聴く。それから友達を遊ぶ。
Okay. So question, is there any word or expression that you are not familiar with?
遊ぶ。
Di ba asobo, we already reviewed it.
Play.
Ay, shumatsu. Shumatsu wa weekend. Weekend. Wala na? No more? Okay. So, I'd like you to focus on your attention on the highlighted character. So, what is the highlighted character in the dialogue, in the kaiwa? To. Okay. So, you have already studied the particle to in your previous topic, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, when do we use the particle to Jessa-san?
Connecting two nouns, sensei.
Not okay, connecting nouns. No, it's not only two nouns, so it could be 3 or more.
Ay.
Okay, oo. So to is to say or enumerate things or simply use as and. So N1 to, N2 to, so on and so forth, and then des. So connecting noun siya, no? So example, we have, what do we have?
Tokyo.
Tokyo Tawa.
Hi, Tokyo Tower. Correct? Okay, you're not familiar. Okay, this one. Okay, these are 5 towers famous in Japan. Doko dato omoimasu ka? Where do you think are they from? Familiar? No.
Yes, sensei.
Yes.
Okay, so hi, can we read?
Tokyo.
Osaka.
Kobe.
Nagoya desu.
Okay, so these are the famous landmarks in the following places. Tokyo to, Osaka to, Kobe to, Yokohama to, Nagoya desu. Hi. So again, to is used to replace and in the Japanese sentence. Now, this is another use of to. So it's not only and, no? Okay, so to can be used in this situation. So who are in this picture?
Yamada-san.
What's this character? What are these characters? Sensei. Okay, this is Ichirawa.
Yamada sensei.
Yamada sensei.
Ishikawa
Ishikawa sensei. Hi, Yamada sensei to Ishikawa sensei desu. Hi. So for this, what do you think are they doing?
Having coffee.
Okay, they're having coffee. So, hi. To is used to say with whom one does the action or sino ang kasama natin doing the action. So this is the use of another use of to. For example, question, Yamada sensei wa dare to kohi o nomimasu ka? Yamada sensei wa dare to kohi o nomimasu ka? So you could find the word dare, which means person, and then kohi o nomimasu, which is the activity. So connecting the person and activity, what particle can we use? Do we use? Okay, the word, the particle, to, which means doing the activity
with
you are with this person. So, Yamada sensei wa dare to kohi o nomimasu ka? What is the answer?
Ishikawa sensei.
Yamada sensei wa Ishikawa sensei to kohi o nomimasu. So Yamada sensei is with whom? Ishikawa sensei drinking
coffee.
coffee. Very good. Okay, dare to person to activity. Wakarimashita ka, minasan?
Hi.
So far, okay pa ha? Klaro? Thumbs up nga kung okay pa. Okay, so umpisa pa lang tayo. Okay, we are about to unleash your potential in Japanese language. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Okay, always remember that the pattern is person to activity. Person to activity. Hi. Yan.
Tomodachi.
Tomodachi, and then we have
Isa-san.
Isasang. Hi. What are they doing?
Eating.
Hi. Shokuji shimasu. Shokuji shimasu.
Chokoji.
Shokuji shimasu. Hi. Can we use the sentence pattern? Person to. Isasang wa.
Isasang wa
Tomodachi
Tomodachi Shokuji o
shimasu.
Moichido.
Isasang wa Tomodachi to Shokuji shimasu.
Hi. Isasang wa. Dare to shokuji shimasu ka? Tomodachi to shokuji o shimasu. Tomodachi to shokuji o shimasu. You could answer directly, no? Dare to shokuji shimasu ka? Tomodachi to shokuji shimasu ka? So, bakit wala na si Ba't wala na si Isasang? Because in Japanese language, you could omit the subject if it is very obvious. So, Tomodachi to shokuji o shimasu. Alright, next one. Matsumoto-san wa dare to ryoko shimasu ka?
Matsumoto-san wa kazoku to ryori ryoko shimasu.
Everybody, can I have Michi-san?
Kazoku to ryoko shimasu.
Hi. Kazoku to ryoko shimasu. Kazoku to ryoko shimasu. Or Matsumoto-san wa kazoku to ryoko shimasu. Dochira daijobu. Okay, next one. What is this?
Neko.
Neko. Hi. What is this?
Neko.
Playing. Asobu.
Who are this? Tomodachi. What's it? Who are this?
Kazoku.
Hi. What do you think are they doing?
Playing. Asobu.
Hi, asobimasu. Hi, asobu or asobimasu. Febi-san, what's the difference between asobu and asobimasu?
Formal sentence. So B is for
Asobu is
casual.
for casual and it is the
asobimasu
dictionary form.
And
Dictionary form siya. Asobimasu
informal.
is formal. Remember that in Japanese language, the longer it is, the formal the sentence. Okay. So, hi. Dare to asobimasu ka? Look at the first picture. Dare to asobimasu ka? General.
Dobutsu.
Yeah, it's dobutsu. Hi, very good. Pet toto asobimasu. Pet toto asobimasu. Hi, who among us have a pet? Hi, pet toto yoku asobimasu ka? Febi-san.
Hi.
Pet toto yoku asobimasu ka? Hi, Jessa-san. Dona pet to gaimasu ka?
Usagi ito.
Usagi?
Hai. Neko to Ino sensei.
Yoku asobimasu ka? Pet toto yoku asobimasu ka? Do you always play with your pet?
Hai.
Okay.
Yoko.
Hi. What about in this picture? What are they doing? Dare to
Playing.
asobimasu ka?
Tomodachi to
Tomodachi to.
Hi, tomodachi to
Asobimasu.
tomodachi to asobimasu. Pwede din kyodai. Okay, how about this third picture?
Kazoku to asobimasu.
Hi, kazoku to asobimasu. Kazoku to asobimasu. Hi, Joanna-san, dare to yoku asobimasu ka?
Hai, sensei,
Dare to?
Kodomo to asobimasu.
Kodomo ga imasu ka?
Hai, sensei, imasu.
You have children. Okay, so when we say asobu, generally it's not always to play with, no? To play. Sometimes you could use asobu to say that you have quality time with. For
Bonding.
example, okasang to asobimasu. So you have quality time with your mother. Wakarimashita ka?
Hai, sensei.
Wakarimashita.
Kaya oto to asobimasu. Hai. Ja, shitsumon ga arimasu. Kam-san, shitsumon wa nan desu ka?
Dare to asobimasu ka?
Dare to asobimasu ka? Hai. Can we have Glai-san? Dare to asobimasu ka?
Kento
Ken-san wa?
Ken-san wa ana to asobimasu.
Moichido? May kulang.
Ken-san wa ana-san to asobimasu.
Hai, mas maganda. Ken-san wa ana-san to asobimasu. What about this one? Ivy-san?
Hi, sensei. Himu-san wa yuna to asobimasu.
Hai. Kim-san wa Yuna-san to asobimasu. Hai. Ja, yomimashou. So we have here a map of an activity. Now, let's read one by one. Jessa-san, yonde kudasai. First line.
Narano Yoshinoyama he ikimasen ka?
Nara no Yoshinoyama e ikimasen ka? Number 2, Joan-san.
Yoshinoyama de hanami o shimasu.
Moichido.
Yoshinoyama de hanami o shimasu.
Yoshinoyama de hanami o shimasu. What's hanami? Hanami. Are you familiar with the word hanami? Anybody? Are you familiar with the word hanami?
Yes, sensei. Yes, sensei.
Iye. Shiranai. It's famous during the month of March and April.
Flower.
Okay, when sakura blooms, diba? When sakura blooms, you could see the flowers of the sakura tree. And then you could see people, okay, nasa ilalim ng sakura tree having picnic. So that's what we call hanami or flower viewing. Okay. Next, Jessa-san, 読んでください。メガネをかけている人。Third line, Jessa-san.
Third line, Sensei. Don siya.
Doon siya ba?
Den siya. Ay, isa mo. Den siya to ko. Ay.
Katakana.
Ano dito? Don siya to.
What character is this? Ro. Ito.
Po.
Pu.
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 Ropu. Ropuwi.
Oh, it's not Roppongi, ah.
Gumina sa Sensei. Ropuwi.
Ropue.
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 Do you know Ropue de? Naku, you forgot na your hiragana and katakana. Ropue de?
Ropuete.
This one.
De. Ikimasu.
Hi, then siya to. Ropue de ikimasu. Next. Ito. Kamsi-san.
Hi, Sensei. Yoshinoya made hiro gohan
Yoshinoya
wo.
made?
Yoshi noya made.
No. Yoshinoyama. Yoshinoyama de.
Made.
No.
Sorry.
Not made. De. Yoshinoyama. The name of the
Yoshinoyama.
mountain is Yoshino.
Yoshino. Yoshino Yamade. Yamade. Hiro gohan wo tabemasu.
Hi. Yoshinoyama de hiro gohan o tabemasu. And then next line, Ivy-san.
Sensei. Sakura no sashin o torimashou.
Sakura no sashin o torimashou. And then the last one, Je-san.
Minasang itsu ni ikimasu yo.
Moichido.
Minasang isho ni ikimashou.
Hi, isho ni ikimashou. Okay, are there unfamiliar words to you? Meron ba? Ropue. I don't know if I correctly pronounce it, but this is cable car. Ropue. Hatsuon, tadashi desu ka, Nishimura sensei? Sumimasen.
はい、正しいです。はい。
Ropue.
先生、奈良 and Yoshinoyama, please explain it is first time to learn.
Sumimasen.
はい。
I was able to get it from Minano Nihongo. Sumimasen.
Yeah.
So the here, Yoshinoyama is used as a particle just like ni. So the direction of the movement, Yoshinoyama it's also the same as Yoshinoyama ni. Wakarimashita ka? So ni and e is used in the same context here. Okay. So hi. Eto, there are highlighted words or phrases in this activity. So can you identify one, Joanna-san?
Ikimasen ka.
Ikimasen ka. What else?
To. Torimasho.
What else?
Ikimasho.
Ikimasho.
This one?
Torimasho. Torimasho.
Torimasho.
Ikimasho.
Rimasho.
Ikimasho. You forgot this one.
Shimasho.
Shimasho. And then the last one?
Shimasho.
Yomimasho. So these are
Yomimasho.
the words that we will be using in this session or in this topic. So before that, diba, when you read the words, highlighted words in red, diba, there are words that you are familiar with you, that part of this word. Like for example, shimasho. What do you think is the word, the original word for shimasho?
Shimas.
Shimas. Ikimasho.
Ikima.
Ikimas. Torimasho.
Torimas.
Eto, yomimasho.
Yomimas.
So, to go further, we're going to have verb review. Kasi verb review is needed to this lesson. Okay. Again, how many groups do we have in the verb, in the doshi?
3 groups.
Okay, we have 3 groups of verbs. The first group is, I'd like to start from group number 3. Group number 3 are what we call
verbs.
irregular verbs.
Irregular.
Okay. Why irregular verbs?
Because there are 2 verbs.
Only
Special
2.
verbs.
There are
Yeah, there are 2
verbs,
verbs, but why are they
special.
irregular?
we used to replace, remove.
It's different when we are conjugating.
Very good.
include the
When we conjugate, these verbs vary. Nagbabago siya when we conjugate depending on the situation. That's why they are called irregular verbs. So for the irregular verbs, we have 2 specific verbs in it. So what are these? Joan-san?
Suru and kiru.
Ruru and
Hi.
kuru.
Suru and
Suru. Suru.
Kuru.
And all other words connected with suru, like
Benkyo suru.
benkyo suru,
So suru.
otso suru, and then kuru.
Kiru.
We have
Kuru.
motte kuru and
Motte
surete
kuru.
kuru.
Sorete.
Okay. So again, there are 2 verbs in group 3. We have suru and kuru, and all other verbs connected or joined with the word suru. Desu ka? Hi. For example, to cook. How do you say to cook?
Ryori suru.
Hi. Ryori suru. Ryori suru. To travel. Travel is ryoko.
Ryoko suru.
Ryoko suru.
Suru.
And then we have the kuru. Motte kuru is to bring. And then surete kuru, to take someone with. To tag along a person. Okay? What about in group 2? Are you familiar with this group?
Ru. Hi. Ru.
And
Iru.
Okay. Some call it root verbs because they end with ru. But actually, when we say group 2, you have to look for hiragana chart for your reference. So group 2 are verbs, although their ending is ru, before the ru, the character before the ru sometimes is in the it line plus ru. For example, can you identify verbs ending in it plus ru? Huh? We have miru. Get it?
Hi.
And then okiru. Okiru. Okay, what about the other one? Abiru. So these are just examples of verbs ending in it line plus ru. I desu ka?
Hi.
Hi. Yeah. Next one are verbs in the ru ending in the e line. E line.
Taberu.
Neru,
Neru.
haberu,
Taberu.
and
Taberu.
osye,
Oshiro.
Ro.
osyeru.
Osheru.
Nakuha, minasang?
Hi.
Hi, sensei.
Nakuha. Okay, except there are exceptions. Kairu and toru. Although the first one, kairu, before the ru, we have the e, di ba? We have the e before the ru. But it's not part of group 2. So this is special. And then another one is toru. Although it ends in ru, but it's not part of group 2. So what's the bottom line here? The bottom line is that not all verbs ending in ru are group 2. Okay. So it depends on the conjugation and on the character before the ru. Okay, we have the next one. We have group 1.
Godan.
Godan ichi. Hi. What is group 1? What verbs are this? Kanina, di ba? Group 2 are verbs. Okay, this time they are called verbs because the ending of the verb lies on the line. Line. Sige nga, let's start. What verbs end with ku?
Iku.
Iku. What else?
Kaku.
Kaku. And what about su?
Hanatsu.
Hanasu. What else? To stand? Tatsu. What about tsu? Ito pala yung to stand. Tatsu. To stand. Tatsu.
Matsu.
Matsu. To wait. And then, what about nu? Nu. Can you identify verbs? What is to die in Japanese? Chugi. Shinu. Shinu. What about fu or bu?
Asobu.
Asobu. Mu.
Nomu.
Nomu. Ru.
Noru.
Noru. What else?
Hiro.
Yung kanina, yung binigyan natin example.
Suru. Ay,
Kairu and
Oriru.
Toru. Toriru. Okay.
Shiro.
No. Oshie. Kaya hindi siya group 1. It's in group 2. Toru and Kairu are some of the examples here. So group 1 can be subdivided into a certain group of verbs. Yung una, this is the u, tsu, and ru. So these are group 1 verbs that end in u, tsu, and ru. Second one, we have Group 1 that ends in nu, mu, and bu. The third group or subgroup ends in ku and gu.
Gu.
And then the last one ends in su. Except
Iko.
yung rule niya, it's not the same with this group. Okay. So let's have Renshu. Hi, Renshu Shimasho. Let's classify the following verbs according to their groupings. Are they in group 1, group 2, or group 3?
Group 3.
Okay, so can we have Mitch Sang? What's the first group? What's the first verb pala? Okay, where do you think Ryokosuru is?
Group 3.
Group 3 ba? Okay. What about the next one? Ivy Sang.
Neru.
Neru.
Group 2.
Okay. Jerome Sang.
Hi, so group 1.
Very good. What about the next one? Joanna Sang.
Iko, group 1.
Group 1. Okay, group 1. Utao. Glay Sang.
Utao, group 1.
Group 1. And then next one. Jessa Sang. Nomu.
Nomu, group 1, Sensei.
Group 1. And then Joanna Sang.
Taberu. Taberu, group 2.
Group 2. Hi. Yokodekimashita. Okay, so may umini. Okay, let's have conjugation review. So we have plain form here, plain form of the verb, and then we'll change it to mass form. So I have an example, ao, change it to mass form. We have I must. Take note of the last character, which is the u, and then change it to mass form. What happened?
It became I plus
Okay.
mas.
Okay, the last character, the u character, change it to I line. So au becomes
I
I
mas.
must. Okay, so next one.
Iko, ikimas.
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 Next one.
Nomu, nomimas.
Nomu, mu. Change to I line. No.
Nomimas.
Nomimas.
Mas.
Mas.
Okay, so what is the rule? Change u line
Change
to
O line to E line,
line,
then
then
add
add.
mas.
Okay, what about the second, the next one? The fourth
Taberu.
one.
Tabemas.
Taberu. What group is this?
2.
Group 2.
Group 2. So Taberu becomes
Tabemas.
Tabe
Mas.
becomes Tabemas. Now what's the rule?
Remove.
Tamsang.
Remove suru. Then
Ano suru?
add.
No. Taberu pa lang tayo.
Ru. Sorry. Remove ru. Then add mas.
Okay, for group 2, drop the ru, then add mas. Wakarimashita?
Wakarimashita.
Okay. For group 3. Group 3, AJ sa Jerome Sang.
For group 3,
Suru becomes
shimas.
Becomes shimas. Okay, so this is my this is my style. Why shimas? From the word su. Su, change to I. Su, and then shi, and then add mas. Wala lang, mema lang. Just for the style strategy. Okay. So how this when we use past for mass form, what do we mean? What tense of the verb are we referring to?
present
It could
Present
mean
tense.
present form
or in future.
or in the future. Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Okay, it's affirmative sentence, past form, and it could mean present or future. What about masen?
Masen.
When do we
Negative.
use masen?
Negative.
Negative.
We use masen for
Saying no, it's
negative.
not.
No?
Negative.
Is it past or present?
Present.
Past or non-past?
Present.
Past or
Past form of the verb,
Past form.
but it is in the negative.
Negative form.
いいですか?
Sensei,
いい
もう
ですか?
一度、
What?
もう一度お願いします。
Okay, when we use masen, una muna. When we use the mas form, it is affirmative, meaning positive, and it is in the non-past form of the verb, non-past. It could mean present or future. When we use the masen form of the verb, when you conjugate it to masen form, it means negative. It's in the negative, and it is non-past also. Get? Nakuha po, minasang?
Hi, Sensei.
Hi, Sensei.
Hi. Again, mas form, positive, non-past. Masen form, negative, non-past. Okay, let's have an example. Au, I must. Let's change it to masen.
I mustn't.
Hi, I masen. I masen. So what happened? Glaisang, what happened to the verb?
From mass, the su, drop the su and then change it to sen. So it's I must.
Okay, so drop the mas and then add to masen. Drop mas and add masen. So let's have the second one. Iku, ikimas. Jessa-sang.
Ikimasu, Sensei, is ikimasen.
Hi, ikimasen. Jessang.
Hi, Sensei. Nomimasen. Nomimasen.
Nomimasen. Very good. Jerome-sang. Taberu.
Hi, Sensei. Taberu, tabemas, tabemasen.
Tabemasen. Hi, next one, can we have Ivy-sang?
Shimasu, shimasen.
Suru, shimasu, shimasen. I desu ka? So far, okay pa tayo, minasang?
Hi, Sensei.
Okay pa, very good.
Hi, Sensei.
Hi. So let's read this dialogue or conversation between Saki-san and Sensei. Saki-san and Sensei. Okay, maybe we could have two lang. Joanna-san and Ivy-san. Joanna-san will be Saki-san and then Ivy-san will be Sensei.
Sensei, Jomatsu, itsumo nani wo shimasu ka?
Basu keto, horu wo suru. Saki-san wa,
Basketboru.
Manga wo,
continue po.
Sige po. Mango.
manga wo yomimasu. それと、バスケットボールをします。
Basketboru. Everybody.
basketball
Basketball.
Basketball.
mo shimasu.
Onaji.
Sensei, kondo issho ni shimasen ka?
いいですよ。しましょう。
Alright. Maybe we could have another one. Jerome-san and Joan-san. Joan-san will be Saki-san. Sensei will be Jerome-san.
Sensei, shumatsu itsumo nani o shimasu ka?
バスケットボールをするサキさんは、
漫画を読みます。それと、バスケットボールをします。
同じ。
先生、今度一緒にしませんか？
いいですよ。しましょう。
Okay. Hi. Yeah. Let's read everybody together the underlined expression.
一緒に
一緒に
しませんか？
What do we mean by this, Febi-san? 一緒にしませんか? Familiar?
Can we watch together?
Can we watch together?
しませんか? しませんか?
Can we do it together?
Are we not?
Next time, can we do it together? 一緒に together. しませんか? To do. Okay. So when inviting someone to do something, we use the expression nani-nani
Masen ka?
masen ka.
Masen ka.
So when we are inviting somebody, we use the negative form of the verb plus the particle ka. Wakarimashita? Again, when we inviting somebody, what do we use? The affirmative or the negative form?
Negative form.
Negative form of the verb. And then the particle ka. Nakuha po?
Ay.
Hi. Kaya from the word shimasen ka, so what is the negative form of the verb here? Shimasen. Okay. Okay. So again, when we invite someone to do something, we use the expression nani-nani masen ka. Okay, verb, and then add masen ka. Nakuha po?
Ay.
Let's proceed. Ikimashou ka? Hi. Kore? Nandesu ka?
Hamburger.
Okay. Hamburger o kaberu.
Kaberu.
Joanna-san, let's invite somebody.
Hamburger wo tabemasen ka?
Dare. Call somebody and invite somebody.
Ivy-san wa.
Ivy-san, wala nang wa.
Ivy-san, hamburger wo tabemasen ka? May right, Sensei?
Ivy-san, reply.
Hi. 食べましょう。
Wow. Advanced student. Okay, let's have the next one. Hi, hamburger o tabemasen ka? Okay. Next one. Jerome-san.
Hi.
Invite somebody. What's this?
Biro o
Biro.
Okay, biro, nomu. Invite somebody.
Hi.
Jerome-san.
Mitsan, biro o namimasen ka?
はい。飲みましょ
Advanced din. Okay, biro, nomimasen ka. Invite, wala nang reply. Napi-preempt niyo yung topic eh. Okay. Biro no mimasen ka. Hi. This one. Egao miru. Egao miru. Febi-sang. Invite somebody.
Blay-san, egao mimasen ka?
Okay. Egao mimasen ka. Egao mimasen ka. Hi. Shokuji o suru. Shokuji o suru. Je-san.
食事を、すみません。でささん、食事を、しませんか?
Okay. Shokuji o shimasen ka? Shokuji o shimasen ka? Uchi ni kairu. Uchi ni kairu. Kamsi-san.
Sino mga nandito? Febi-san, uchi ni kaimasen ka?
Kaimasen
Uchi
ba?
ni kaimasen.
What is the mass form of kairu?
Kairimasen. Kairimasen ka.
Moichiro?
Sorry, sensei. Febi-san, uchi ni kairimasen ka?
Uchi ni kairimasen ka? Yeah, next one. Joanna-san.
Nishimura-san, moru ni ikimasen ka?
いいですね。行きましょう。
Okay. Hi, moru ni ikimasen ka. Okay, guys, may ano lang ako, may nuance lang akong i-share. In Japanese nuances, when we invite somebody to do something, we use the masen form of the verb. But I don't know if I'm correct, Hiruta Sensei, Nishimura Sensei. When you are inviting someone to date with, to have a date with, you use the negative form of the verb. Koheyo no mimasen ka. So nag-i-invite ka makipag-date. So please be careful with the masen form of the verb. Okay? For example, Jerome-san would like to court Glai-san. Maybe you could use this expression, masen ka. Hi. Yeah, let's go back to the kaiwa. And let's have the underlined expression. What's the underlined expression, Febi-san?
Shimasho.
Shimasho. Okay. Shimasho. Is this familiar to you? Okay, kanina naririnig ko siya kanina. I hope you're already familiar with this shimasho. Shimasho is used when accepting an invitation. Again, shimasho is used, masho form of the verb is used when accepting an invitation. Wakarimashita? Kanina narinig ko siya eh. So verb, the stem of the verb plus masho, which means acceptance of an invitation. Hi. Yeah. Let's conjugate from masen to masho. Okay, let's have Ivy-san. Siguro we'll start from Ao, Ivy-san.
I think that's aimasho.
Let's start from Ao, aimas. Sige nga.
Ao, aimas, aimasen, aimasho.
Hi, aimasho. So what's the rule? What's the rule, Ivy-san?
Ikimasen. We actually we drop sen and then we add masho.
Hi. We drop the mas from the mas form, or we drop the masen from the masen form, and then we add masho.
Masho.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Jerome-san, iku.
Hi, iku, ikimasu, ikimasen, ikimasho.
Very good. Third one, Glai-san.
Domo, nomimasu, nomimasen, nomimasho.
Nomimasho. Taberu, Kamsi-san.
Taberu, tabemasu, tabemasen, tabemasho.
Tabemasho. And then Suru, Joan-san.
Suru, shimash, shimasen, shimasho.
Shuru, shimash, shimashen, shimasho. Okay. Social si Ate Joan. Okay. Now, can we invite someone to do an activity together with? Makakapag-invite na tayo, minasang?
Hi.
Hi. Can we accept an invitation of another person to do the activity together with?
Hi, Sensei.
Hi. Okay. So let's have Kaiwa. Okay. So we have two persons. Repeat after me. Raishu Matsuri ga arimasho.
Raisho, matsuri ga arimasho.
Itsu desu ka?
Itsu
Itsu desu ka?
Shichigatsu 31日です。
4月31日です。
Okay, so we have four kinds of reply. いいですね。行きましょう。
いいですね。
いいですね。行きましょ
行きましょう。
はい、多分大丈夫です。
はい。
はい、多分大丈夫です。
大丈夫
What's the
です。
difference between the two reply? いいですね。行きましょう。はい、多分大丈夫です。
The other one is not sure.
いいで
The
すね
first one
sure.
is いいですね。
Very
行きましょう。
sure.
Sure.
Okay,
Very
sure na
sure.
sure. It's very much sure. When we say, hi, tabun, daijoubu desu.
Yes,
Maybe.
I'll see or maybe.
I'll try.
Maybe, because of the word
Maybe.
tabun.
Tabun.
Tabun. Okay. And then another reply. Sanju ichinichi wa chotto sumimasen.
Sanju ichinichi wa
1日は
sumimasen.
ちょっとすみません。
はい。31日はダメです。すみません。
31日は
ダメです。
ダメです。すみません。
Okay. So, negative to, di ba? Kasi
Hi.
nag-sorry na siya.
Hi.
Chotto, sumimasen.
Sumimasen.
Dame des, hindi pwede. Sumimasen. And then another reply. Dalawa naman to. Zannen des.
残念です。
残念です。
はい。そうですか。
そうですか。
じゃあ、また今度。
そうですか。
じゃあ、
そうです。
また
じゃあ
今度。
So, different. Zannen, nangihinayang siya. What a pity. So desu ka. Ja, mata kondo. Sige, next time. So you imi.
Hindi pala ako nakamute kanina.
Wakarimashita ka?
Wakarimasen.
Ah? Wakarimasen?
Wakarimash.
Wakarimash? Okay. So, let's have Kaiwa. How many boys do we have? O, sige na nga. We have Joanna-sang, Glai-sang, Ivy-sang, and Joan-sang will be the blue one. The green one will be Jessa-sang, Ivy-sang, Jerome-sang. Ides ka?
Hi,
Hi.
sensei.
Hi,
Hi,
Sensei.
Sensei.
Hi.
Hi,
Ja,
sensei.
dozo.
Raishu.
Raishu.
Matsuri ga
Arimasu.
Arimasho.
Arimasho.
Itsu desu
Itsu
ka?
desu ka?
Itsu desu ka?
Shichigatsu Sanju Ichinichi desu.
いいですね。
行きましょう。
行きましょう。
Okay, another one. Another one. Same group of people, another response. Go.
Raishu Matsuri ga arimasu yo.
Itsu desu ka?
Shichigatsu Sanju Ichinichi desu.
はい。多分です。
はい、
大
大
丈夫
丈夫
で。
ですす。
Hi. Switch role naman tayo. Switch role. The one in blue earlier will be green and the green earlier will be blue.
Raishu
マ
マ
ツリ
ツリが
がありますよ。
あります
ありますよ。
いつですか
7
7
月
月
31
31日です。
日です。
31日はちょっとすみません。
Okay. Next, another. One more time.
来週祭りがありますよ。
ありますよ。
いつですか
7月
31日で。
ですす。
31日はダメです。すみません。
Okay. This time, you will be blue and I will be green. いいですか?
はい。
はい。じゃあ、どうぞ。
来週祭りがありますよ。
いつですか?
7
7月31日です。
残念です。じゃあ、this time I'll be blue and you will be green. Go. 来週、祭りがありますよ。
いつですか
7月31日です。
そうです。
ですか。
また
今度。
Ah, yeah, mata kondo. Very good. Okay, this time, the underlined word matsuri could be replaced with the following activities. Can you read the first activity?
バスケットボールをします。
Basketball no shiai. Tournament. Basketball no shiai. Tournament siya.
バスケットボールの試合。
Second activity,
写真
写真
コンテスト。
sashin contesto. Sashin contesto. という意味は
photography contest。
photo contest. Photo contest. はい。Third activity.
太鼓。
はい。Taiko consato. Taiko consato. Do you know Taiko consato? Okay. Drums. Yung mga drums yan, Japanese drums. Concert. Okay. Fourth activity.
J-pop consato。
J-pop su consato. The fifth activity.
Karaoke
Karaoke contesto. I repeat after me. Basketball no shiai. Shashin contesto. Taiko consato. J-pop su consato.
J-pop consato。
Karaoke contesto. Okay. So, who would like to volunteer? Would like to volunteer? Sige, ako mag-volunteer ha. So, we have Jerome Sang and Glai Sang. Jerome Sang and Glai Sang. Glai Sang will be the blue one and Jerome Sang will be the green one. Jerome Sang, you could choose any from these responses. いいですか? Jerome Sang. You could choose only one.
先生。
はい。Glai-san, you could choose any from these activities. いいですか？
はい、先生。
はい。3、2、1、せーの。
はい、ジェロムさん、来週、カラオケコンテストがありますよ。
いつですか？
7月31日です。
いいですね。行きましょ
Very good. Let's have Ivy-san and Kamsi-san. Ivy-san will be the blue one. Kamsi-san will be the green one.
はい、先生。
カムセさん、来週、写真コンサートがありましょう。
Contest.
すみません。写真コンテストがありましょう。
いつですか？
7月31日です。
はい、多分、動物です。
は？
あ、
大丈夫。
大丈夫です。大丈夫です。
Okay. Next one. Joanne-san and Mitch-san. Joanne-san will be the blue one. Mitch-san will be the green one.
はい。みきさん、来週 J-POP コンサートがありますよ。
いつですか
7月31日です。
31日はダメです。すいません。
Okay. Now, let's have breakout session. For the breakout session, we'll be having, I think 5 minutes. 5 minutes to do the activities. And then with your group, you could change, no? You could use all of these activities and you could switch role from one role to another. Until such time you have finished all the activities. Nakuha po, minasang?
はい、先生。
For example, first round, basketball no shiai. And then, second round, switch kayo, sashin contesto naman. Ides ka? And do not forget to reply. Do not forget to reply. What are some of the replies that we have learned before?
そうですか。
So desu ka. Tapos, if it is a positive answer, what would be your reply?
いいですね。
いい
いいですね or いいね。はい。じゃあ、先生5分お願いします。
はい、わかりました。じゃあ5分です。はい。じゃあ皆さんいってらっしゃい。そうか。先生、can you share the screen to the each breakout room?
先生、知らない。
私も知らなかったんですけど、どこだっけですね、どこだっけ
エドワード先生、もう一度スクリーンシェアのボタンできますか？
Share screen.
シェアスクリーン again で、
stop sharing ですか？
いえ、もう一度。
はい、do you have ここにシェアスクリーンもう一度押せます。
グリーンボタン、もう一度押してください。
Use share screen.
はい。
Yes, share screen again, and then share the breakout room, check.
You can see the news, なんだろう。
Can you see 先生？
ちょっと待ってくださいね。I will go to the...
男性さん。
いきます。じゃあ、ストップ。
大丈夫です。はい。
If you leave from main room, the sharing will be stopped.
ちょっと行ってきます。
写真 コンテストがありましょう。いつですか ?7 月31日です。31日はダメです。
大丈夫。
Ano man,
行きましょう。
来週太鼓コンサートがありましょう。
先生、we haven't shared screen yet. すいません。And some teachers already have taken a screenshot and they are looking at the screen, but we haven't shared yet.
Sumimasen sensei, I don't know how to share in the
では、
breakout room.
私、エドワーズ先生のスクリーンショット、今、皆さんにブレイクアウトにしました。
あ、OK。ありがとうございます。
よかったです。
エドワ先生、残念です。そうですか。じゃあまた今度 is, I think, blue part it is. Because, 来週祭りがありますよ。31日はちょっとすみません。残念です。So, it is blue part. そうですね。じゃあまた今度。
I just copied it from Morogoto.
多分、残念ですはどっちでもいいんじゃないですか。A さんが言っても、ダメです、すいません、残念です。言ってもいいし、A さんが行きませんか？すいません、ダメです。そうですか、残念です。どちらも多分。
こっちはダメですよね。もうそうですか。じゃあまた今度、is blue part ですね。
はい。また今度もどっちでも良さそうな感じです。
まあ、31日はダメです。すいません。また今度なら OK。
また今度お願いしますとかだったら B さんも言えるけど。A さんも B さんも。じゃあまた今度。
Since I think these two expressions are aside from this four. Aside from this four. 例えば、7月31日です。残念です。
7月31日です。And if we say 31日はダメです。残念です。It's okay. Is it, it is about
No, sensei. I know, it's different from,ダメです。
はい。
違う答えです。
違う答え。So if they cannot go to the festival, they can say 残念です。また今度。
maybe 先生、後で、説明します。
はい。はい、終わりましたね。はい。皆さんお帰りなさい。はい。じゃあ、エドワード先生、はい、お願いします。
はい。So for 皆さん、全員いますか？Are all in? 皆さん？
はい。
はい。じゃあ、just to explain something, to clarify something. If you mention the date, 7月31日です。If you're not available, another reply could be 残念です。So it's different from the first four. And then another reply is 31日です。そうですか。じゃあまた今度、maybe next time. という意味。わかりました？わかりましたか皆さん？
わかりました、
はい。
先生。
わかりま
はい、
す。
すみません。じゃあ、次。Okay. Let's have some practice. Let's invite and then let's accept or do not accept the invitation. Okay. One form of declining an one form of accepting invitation is what's this? What's the pattern? Nani-nani? Masho. Diba? Nani-nani? Masho. But if you would like to decline an invitation, chotto. That's another one way of declining an invitation. Chotto or sumimasen. I desu ka? Yeah. Joanna-san, invite something to do the activity.
ライさん、ビールを飲みませんか？
ちょっとすみません。
Very casual, very natural. Okay. Another one, Joanna-san. What about Jerome-san? Ask Jerome-san.
ジェロームさん、ビールを飲みませんか？
はい、飲みましょう。
Very good. はい、じゃあ、ジェロームさん、一緒にビールを飲めませんか？じゃあ、すみません。
バロットを飲めませんか？
はい、カムシさん、invite somebody.
Wait, sensei. ジェサさん、バロットを食べませんか？
いつですか
4月31日です。
はい、多分大丈夫です。
はい、very good. Okay, next one. 日本語勉強しませんか？ジェサさん、invite somebody.
ジェイさん、日本語を勉強しませんか？
はい。勉強しましょう。
もう一度、勉強
しましょう。
はい、勉強しましょう。はい。知ってますか皆さん。
ラーメン屋。
ラーメン屋ですか？居酒屋。居酒屋。Japanese pub house where you could drink sake and you could have yung mga pulutan. はい。じゃあ、Ivy-san, can you invite our sensei?
西村先生、居酒屋に行きませんか？
いいですね。いつですか？
来週です。
はい、いいですね。行きましょ
Oh, may kasama ka na, Ivy-san.
は
Okay,
い。
next one. Kohi. Jerome-san, can you invite Hiruta sensei?
もう一度先生。
Can you invite Hiruta sensei?
やるな、先生。
Hiruta sensei.
やるな、先生。コーヒーを飲みませんか？
いいですね。飲みましょう。
Okay. What's this? Konsato ni ikimasen ka? Mitch-san, invite Glay-san.
ライさん、コンサートに行きませんか？
はい。 行きましょう。
Alright, very good. Ikimasho. Hi. Yeah, let's have the can-do check. Number 1, can use the particle to with the verb asobu, asobimasu to say with whom one does the action. Check.
Hi, sensei.
Hi.
Check.
Can use verb plus masenka to extend invitation.
Hi. Check.
Hi. Can use verb plus masho to accept invitation. Check.
Hi. Check
Hi.
this.
Yeah, let's have some reflection. Sige, what part of the lesson did you find easy and why? Anybody from the group?
Maybe accepting the invitation is the easiest one, Sensei.
Wow, masyo. Why not inviting someone? Mahirap ba siya? Is it difficult to invite somebody? Hello?
Maybe Sensei, because you have to have the full sentence pattern for you to invite someone. Unlike when you are accepting invitation, you just have to say hi, then the verb in masho.
Ah, okay. Just the verb, no? Very good. It's easy because it's only the verb that you add masho. Unlike in masenka. Okay. Next, what part is difficult to you, Jerome-san? Or easy?
Right, Sensei, for me, the easy one is conjugating the verbs that you have taught from the group 1, 2, and 3, because we already have that session with Keto Sensei. Then the other one, which is difficult for me, is with the use of the kaiwa, the sentence pattern, how you will respond, how will you ask questions.
Okay, so kaiwa is just a guide for you to have the conversation, but you have the freeway and the freeway. You have parang freedom to choose yung pattern. Okay, what about you, Ivy-san? What part did you find difficult or easy?
Difficult for me, Sensei, is the grouping of verbs. If you're gonna be placing the verb into group 1, 2, or 3, because there are exemptions of rules. And then easy for me when you are, same with the others, when you are accepting invitation, because there are very short ways, very short responses on how to accept their invitations.
Okay, so what do you think you can do to develop your skills in inviting and accepting invitation?
Still me, Sensei?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, for me, I think
what strategies can you recommend
applying
for
it,
you to be used?
for me, I really have to apply it, even talking with my maybe husband, maybe siblings like that, even in a parang joke way, parang applying po, I think is the best way to master the proper responses.
Yeah, I think it's very difficult for you to practice Nihongo in your respective homes because the number of Nihongo speakers in your houses are very limited. But when you are inside the school, please practice speaking and writing in Nihongo with your co-teachers who are also teaching Nihongo. So that I think is the best strategy. And also when you are communicating with our Japanese language advisors, still you have to practice more Nihongo. Whether in speaking, in writing, or in texting. はい、じゃあこれで授業を終わりたいと思います。ありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。
ありがとうございました。I have some announcement to you. はい。はい。In the afternoon, please prepare for topic 70's demo lesson. And so we changed the schedule, and tomorrow we have topic 14, 15, 16 presentation demo lesson. And after the day after tomorrow, we have topic 17 demo lesson, and from 1:15 at 1:15. And this is the 今日の宿題です。これは今日の宿題です。はい。皆さん、レッスンプランアナリシスシート、書いてください。それから、トピック17の、レビューアサイメント、Google フォームです。Google フォームで、答えてください。And also, prepare demo lesson, topic 17, with your group, in the afternoon, よろしくお願いします。はい。今日は宿題が少しです。はい。いいでしょうか。はい。では、写真を撮りましょうか。はい。いきますよ。はい。では、いきます。1、2、3。1、2、3。もう一度。1、2、3。あ、ジェロムさん、大丈夫ですか？ How is your condition? Are you okay?
Hi, Sensei. A little bit okay, but from time to time, my stomach is still aching.
ああ、そうですか。But you will come to here this afternoon?
I just have to check first, Sensei, if I can travel.
Okay. ありがとうございます。はい。じゃあ、ここで終わりましょう。はい。じゃあ、皆さん、お疲れ様でした。じゃあ、また、来週、じゃないですね。明日、ここで、そうですね。明日、ここで会いましょう。はい。さよなら、また明日。
お疲れ様でした。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。先生。
ありがとうございます。先生。
また明日。
失礼します。
じゃあまた。